was some discussion about seam welding in the society, and there's a lot of philosophies on seam welding. If you seam weld every seam in the car, you pick up a lot of weight. I mean, a lot of weight, because you're adding steel. I have kind of a different philosophy than some people. The way I look at it, if you're building a race car, you've got a cage, and if this cage is designed correctly, that's rigid. I mean, that's rigid as it can be. If I do seam welding on a race car, for the most part, it's going to be from the firewall forward, because you don't have as much frame and as much cage up above in front of the firewall. So I'll do some not continue welding, just stitch welding every couple inches, because A, you don't want to add too much weight. B, you don't want to add too much heat. So that's the way I look at it. And some cars, I may do a little bit in the back around suspension pickup points. But I just, seam welding an entire car for like club racing is, I mean, you can do it if you want. I just think it's a lot of energy that you don't need to spend, and a lot of weight that you add to the car. So that's my philosophy. I'll do a little bit in the back. If there's something that looks obvious, like the welds aren't that good, we'll do that, but mostly focus on firewall forward for seam welding.